Quiet day in the market today. The market taking a little bit of a breather after the big moves we've seen over the last week. Volume's pretty light, and the Dow and S&P has been up most of the day, but fading in the last hour or so. The Nasdaq now negative, and if the Dow does stay positive, that'll be 5 days in a row, even with Disney down about 10% today. Stocks are treading water now after Minneapolis Fed President Kashkari said earlier that bankers are going to do whatever is needed to bring inflation back down to their 2% target, even if that means raising rates. But bond yields flat to slightly lower. The 10-year is now 4.45. That had been as high as 4.72 a couple weeks ago. And there seems to be cautious optimism after last week's jobs report alleviated concerns that the economy might be running too hot. ES options, 30,000 of the 5,200 puts expiring today, 16,000 of the 5,220 calls expiring today. Those are the volume leaders. And at the money implied vol for Friday, it's just over 10%. That's the lowest we've seen in a while. Just over the last few weeks, we've seen that in the upper teens. In CME news, Micro E-mini futures are celebrating their 5-year anniversary, and over 2.6 billion contracts have traded. Average daily volume is now over 2.4 million across 4 indices. Also, starting July 22nd, Tuesday and Thursday, expirations for crude oil options are going to be available. So all daily options will be available starting July 22nd.